Now to the latest on the coronavirus. Health officials closely tracking the new Omicron subvariant BA.5, now saying it's the dominant variant in the U.S. The White House COVID response team is addressing the wave of new infections as daily cases are up across the country. Here's ABC's Rena Roy.
As COVID cases rise once again in much of the country, health officials pointing the finger at Omicron subvariant BA.5, saying it's responsible for more than half of new infections.
We are closely monitoring BA.5 and its impact. We're encouraged that serious illness, hospitalizations, and deaths have remained relatively low based on the level of infections.
An average of 5,200 virus-positive Americans are hospitalized each day, the highest number of daily admissions since February, the U.S. averaging 100,000 new cases daily.
We do not know yet about the clinical severity of BA.4 and BA.5 in comparison to our other Omicron subvariants, but we do know it to be more transmissible and more immune evading.
But experts warn that number could actually be 7 times higher with home tests often unreported.
We're not seeing an increase in deaths around the country, thankfully, but we are seeing a lot of increase in cases, and that is because of those small changes that occur. And until this virus is controlled everywhere around the globe, we're going to continue to see a lot of new strains coming, and that's going to be challenging to us all.
People in Los Angeles and New York urged to mask up once again.
Better safe than sorry. That's what I said. It's a simple thing to put on a mask.
Moderna reporting its new booster produced 6 times more antibodies against the BA.4 and 5 subvariants a month after injection. But that new shot won't likely be available until October or November at the earliest.
There is some urgency to figure out the composition of the vaccine for the fall. We don't want to be in a situation where we have a rise in cases ahead of vaccination and we're trying to play catch up.
Vaccinations have significantly slowed. 71 million Americans still have not gotten a single shot. 44 million of those are kids, and more than half of the eligible population has not gotten their first booster. Rena Roy, ABC News, New York.